Rob, you take it away.
Things falling from the sky, and it will be rain this time. We've seen the high temperatures leak away over the last couple of days. It's breezy and it's sunny. It's just not as warm as it has been, and the breeze is still off the North Sea. As a result, the Harl and the frets come back, and you can see it thrilling the eastern side of England and Scotland just here. But actually, the weather in the next few days is coming from the curl of cloud around the Bay of Biscay, which has been quite interestingly thundery recently. But the showers this afternoon were just going to curl into Cornwall, Hampshire, and there have been one or two recently in the London area. You still get into the low 20s, which means it's a pretty good night for Manchester. 16 degrees, blue skies for the UEFA Cup final. So tonight then, the rain moves slowly north. It's only going to affect, I think, southern England, maybe the South Midlands, South Wales, London area and East Anglia over the next 24 hours. But because of its persistence and occasional heaviness and thunderiness, we are keeping an eye on it. We may issue rather more severe warnings than that. For the time being, it's rain that hasn't been seen for several weeks, it seems, at least. So 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, rush hour into London, probably wet, all the way from Kent. The rain may be as far north as Birmingham, so South Midlands, West Midlands rush hour could be a wet one. But otherwise, things are a little different. The breeze is still off the North Sea. It's brought the cloud a long way in the morning. It's likely to be at least as cloudy tomorrow morning as this morning, and that may even include Northern Ireland, which is a bit of a disappointment, really, having such a beautiful day so far today. Anyway, sunshine will break out, but it'll just take longer to come through. You can see much of Wales is now a cloudy picture, not Snowdonia, not to the far west. And here's the rain curling back through the southwest of England with a fairly strong and cold northeast wind. Now there's some movement in this rain. It curls north, stops, then comes south, but it's the northward movement tomorrow. Southern counties may dry up, but the rain is still falling potentially heavily. And of course it's not going to be very warm. 15 to 18 would be a good throw. 12 for Newcastle. Again, it's this onshore breeze. On Friday the rain's fragmenting and should start to move south. So for most places, little change north of the rain band, still not very warm. The breeze has turned around to the northeast. Pressure does rise the weekend. A shower or two is possible in northwest England and Northern Ireland on Saturday, a finer day on Sunday, and it's possible the rain will never clear the south coast or southern counties of England, at least on Saturday. But I stress, it's a possibility, not a certainty. It's cool.